How to fix the application was unable to start correctly error on your Windows. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix this error if you are facing it on your device. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is to change your system's current local. And in order to do that, you first need to access your control panel. You can do this from your search bar. Go ahead and search for control panel. Open it up. And here you are going to click on view by and make sure it's on large or small icons. Now you're going to find the system's region. Go ahead and click on it. And this new window will appear right here. On the top, you'll see two tabs. Go ahead and click on the Administrative tab, and you have an option to change System Local. Now, from here, you want to select the correct System Local that you want to set, and after you have done that, go ahead and click on OK. Click on Apply, and then click on OK. So this is the first method. The second method is to actually use the command prompt. For that, you first need to open your Run dialog box, press Windows plus R, and then type in CMD. And once you open up your control panel and command prompt, you're going to just paste this command right here. These are the two commands. You will find them on the description. Go ahead and paste the first one right here. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it right here. Hit enter and wait for it to work. Once this is done, restart your PC. If it didn't work, try the second one right here. Go ahead and copy this. And I'm just going to paste this right here on my command prompt. So I'm just going to search for CMD again and then paste it right here. Hit enter, and once this finishes working, go ahead and restart again and you should be good to go. These are the fixes that have been working, so that I've presented them to you. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.